good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. Right, so now I am in the area of Zamek Cesarski, and behind me is actually the fountain of Lion, Fontana Lwów. And yes, I'll start my day here in the area of Zamek Cesarski, and I think this one is the center in Poznan city basically. So yeah, I'll take you to stroll around before I'm gonna have my morning coffee. It's beautiful fountain. That's one of my favorite fountain with the architecture and the tree as the background. So I'll take you there to the. This is the area of the Zamek Cesarski. There are so many Zamek actually here, and I'll take you to the Ogród or to the park next to the Zamek that belongs to the Zamek actually. It is very nice and very clean. It's nice, peaceful, green. What a beautiful blue sky. That is in front of me is the Zamek Cesarski, and here is the garden behind. It's very nice, green, and over there is one of my favorite park as well, Park Adam Mickiewicz. So first of all, I'll just show you around one of my favorite park, garden, and in the city center. Nice. This is the area of the Centrum Kultury Zamek over there, and next to it there is a Kamienica. Kamienica is a kind of the old style apartment with the decorated nice door. I think in front of me is a nice coffee shop. I feel like I wanna have a coffee. You see, like that one in front of me, nice door, and I think this one is this Kamienica is already refurbished, and that's over there is Adam Mickiewicz University, and that's over there is the Święty Marcin. Right in front of me is a beautiful church with a clock tower, and I show you how it looks basically. So here next to me is the Kamienica, and down there is the Asian restaurant. I think that I will take you to the left over there. Let's find a coffee shop. Right in front of me is called Kronglock. Basically, Wujek said that this building long time ago looked like a communist building, but now it is refurbished and changed into a nice office tower. You see, there are so many office, and there will be like so many shop, and down there is gonna be I think that restaurant, bookshop, and many shop actually. And even in front of me there are so many refurbishment. And here, and I remember that last time this road was under renovation, but now it's already fixed. It's nice. And in front of me there are so many tourists as well with the tour guide. Nice. Quite many tourists are coming here, I think with a group of people. Over there, Cafe Bar Da Vinci. Nice decoration. I think that I would like to have a coffee here. I'm inside the coffee shop. Basically there are so many antique decoration, and look at the table and everything. It's so cute. There are so many nice cakes. Looks so tempting. Decoration. Cappuccino. Actually, I decided to sit outside and watching how people walking, and in front of me is the old building with the clock over there, and you see, and here is the look from the door. So many nice art over there, Da Vinci art. Na zdrowie. Having my hot cappuccino. Enjoy the slow time. It's very nice to sit outside because inside little bit hot, and outside nice breeze actually. watching people walking, sightseeing. Very nice. As it is still summer holidays, you know, like last week, summer holidays, many people are here on holiday with the kids, you know, enjoying the fountain. And now we are in the Plac Wolosci. It's nice. So what I can say that my daily life is actually so calm and slow here in Poznan. I enjoy it. I got, you know, my friends actually in Bali asking me, how's your life there so far? Almost half year. Yes, I came here about last March, and yes, almost half years. And what I can say that my life is so chill. You know, now it's the opposite way. Damian has to wake up in the morning and work in the office until 4, so he got a 8 to 4 you know, working. And now I'm just wake up, chill in the morning, and then enjoying my time and enjoying sightseeing in Poland. Well, basically I will work soon, but I need to wait for one of my cards to be finished from the Uzon. While waiting, I just enjoy my sightseeing in Poland. It's nice, basically, and it's totally different world. Totally different world. I can see so far here, even it is hot, summer time, like in Bali, you know, like 28 degrees, 30 degrees something. But what I observe here is the way how people dress up is, I don't know, it's just totally different. I was imagining, like, you know, people like in Europe is the same, like you know, tourists in Bali, they just dress up differently. But here, what I can say that no bikini ladies walking, or no half naked guys with the motorbikes. But here it's totally different. Even the hot of the sun, the temperature somehow sometimes the same like in Bali, but the way how people dress up is totally different than the tourists, European tourists in Bali. I'm in the tram station waiting my tram actually, and I bought Damian Kocek, his favorite dessert so far. So yeah, this is how the tram situation look like next to the Adam Mickiewicz University. I'm arriving in the Rynek Yesicki, my favorite traditional market here, and thinking to buy something for Damian's lunch. So I think some of the shop already closed, but it's okay. Let's see what we're gonna buy. Look at this. Nice, so many nice fresh products here. Look at the grapes. Nice. 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 What sort of fruit is this? So many things. Nice. Nice product. Vika o'clock kochanie.
Tak, sayang.
Vika. Coffee and cake. Smacznego. We decided to go to the mall to to take Damian shopping. Kochani.
Nice.
Nice.
leather.
Nice. Look, you look so good.
Huh?
You look so cool.
Good, isn't it?
Where are we going?
Shopping.
Shopping where we are? In Poznania?
Factory outlet in Lubon.
Oh, another mall again.
Park.
I love malls. Nice. So there are so many brand shop here, right, Kohani?
Park.
Nice. But seems like quieter than Poznania.
Look at this machine.
Uh-huh.
Displaying image like this.
Nice.
Yeah, it's quieter here.
Uh-huh.
It's factory outlet now. It's different. It's because it's in Lubon. It's not in Poznan, you know.
I see.
If you don't have a car, it's pretty hard to get here.
There is no public transportation
There is,
also.
but you need to stop 2 times or something.
I
Come by
see.
bus.
I see. Let's go. Kohani, is that our shopping today?
Tak.
What did you buy?
I just want one little thingy here.
Okay, I think that's all our video today, guys. Starting with me,
Tak.
and then have a time with Damian after work, coffee and shopping for him.
Now it's time to drive you back.
Thanks for watching and
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.